This is a new 5G rugged device from Oukitel. It is the world's first modular device with a detachable rear display. Basically, you could use the rear display as a Bluetooth device. It also doubles as a smartwatch. So it's truly an innovative device. As for its top specs, the device has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 500 nits. And the display is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 5G octa-core processor with a clock speed of up to 3.1 GHz, the 4nm processor. The phone also has 24GB RAM, 24GB base RAM, okay, and 1TB internal storage. The device also supports RAM expansion, but it doesn't support a micro SD card. The phone ships with the latest Android 15, and according to Oukitel, the device is eligible to receive OTA updates. In the camera department, the device features a 108MP main sensor followed by a 2MP macro lens and a 0.3MP depth camera. The front-facing camera is 32MP. The rear camera is capable of recording up to 4K videos at 30fps. Now, this device is backed by a massive 8800 mAh battery, and it supports 45 watts fast charging as well as reverse charging. Other features includes IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. Connectivity features includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS and other essential navigation systems, NFC, USB Type-C 3.0. The phone also supports dual nano SIM, which is impressive. Additionally, this is one of the few rugged phones with an under-display fingerprint scanner. It also supports Face ID. These are the top features of the Oukitel WP200 Pro. As for its price, it is expected to cost about $400 when it's available on multiple online stores, but I don't know its official price yet. If I get that, I will definitely share with you guys. Well, that's it for the Oukitel WP200 Pro. What do you think about this new feature, this new innovation coming from Oukitel? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.